How to create Kindle ebook in Canva. Follow these steps. Go to Canva and click Create a Design, then set custom size to 6 times 9 inches for Kindle format. Search Kindle cover in templates or design your own with title, author name, and visuals. Create a second design, 6 times 9 inches, for your ebook's interior content pages. Add title page, table of contents, and chapters using clean fonts and layouts. Insert page numbers manually using text boxes at the bottom of each page. Download the interior as PDF print and the cover as download separately. Go to kdp.amazon.com, sign in, click Create ebook and upload your PDF interior and JPEG cover. Thank you for watching.